Namaste, Sridharanamburi Tapovan. Today the video of how to escape from the addictions, the artificial stimulation of the dopamine, serotonin, oxytocin, the happy hormones in brain. So in a spiritual way we can remove the addiction if we are interested. A very old system of yogic system, it is very good. If you have that much of confidence and awareness, we can test that. It is very effective. The first method is that. But somebody have the more addiction in that kind of things. So these people need some deeper knowledge about that, deeper way of approach than that. If we have the addiction in chocolate, we have to take the chocolate and experience the chocolate with the five senses fully without thought process. We have to be in present, slowly, very slowly, because speed or time is bringing by the mind. Future and past is the thought process, that is mind. We are in present, we can fully experience the senses. The smell of the chocolate, the color of the chocolate, and taste of the chocolate, the sound of the crunchy in that time, biting time. These kind of things we have to take inside with the 100% awareness. Fully be. Then positively we have to experience that. Then if it is not good for health, naturally our body will remove. Our body will reject that. We have that power in pranamaya kosha, awareness level. All animals have that skill. The animals will not take the poisoned fruits. They know how. Through the cognitive learning, the awareness is rising. Their mind is not like ours. So they are living the energy world. So if we can experience the desireful things, in Osho Ashram there is a smoking temple. We can take a cigarette and experience through the five senses with many or 1 hour we have to finish one cigarette. That means so slowly we have to. Without any excuses, we have to. The mind is not working. Definitely 2-3 times if you take cigarette like that, the addiction will vanish. Our body will reject the cigarette. We watch the cigarette, we will start to vomit. The flush, addiction with the flush, everything is the saturation of dopamine, over stimulation of the dopamine. It is addiction actually. So we can overcome the chemical imbalance of the brain by the consciousness. If we watch a lady, your sister, we will not think sexually. Why? Because the awareness is higher than the brain chemicals, happiness, happy hormones. In addiction, what is happening? It is the awareness is going down and the brain chemicals is controlling the body totally. The awareness. Then he will find out the powerful ideas, very great ideas to rape or kill people for money or pleasure. Because the chemicals are driving the consciousness, very worst stage. It is happening, but in the old time in India, it was not like that. The Bhagavad Gita, this kind of great civilization, teaching to a great system which is controlling the brain chemicals by the awareness. In Ramayana, Lakshmana and Rama is searching for Sita. She lost. In between, they watched some ornaments of Sita is uh, laying down. So Rama asked it to Lakshmana, yeah, it is Sita's ornaments. Do you remember? Rama shows the necklace. He said, I don't know. I don't know it is Sita Devi's or not. Then after he shows the belt, golden belt like something is there on the hip. He said, I don't know. I don't know. Daily it is watching this hair. I know. You don't know? No, I don't know, brother. Lakshmana said, showing everything. He said, I don't know. When at last the ornaments on the leg of Sita Devi, Rama shows, then he said, this is Sita Devi's ornaments on the leg. How you remember this one? Why you are not remembering all of others? He said, who is looking to that ornaments of the above part of Sita Devi? This is I know why, because daily I am bowing and touching and fixing the hand like this daily. On that legs daily, my day is starting like that. That's why I remember this one. Till this time I am not looking to above part. That much of fantastic culture, that much of higher philosophy can you show from any other world? I don't know. That is the level of awareness, is controlling the archetypes or related to the brain chemicals. It's a reason of cognitive learning. We have to change our cognitive learning if we have any addiction. Through the five senses which is getting, we are again continuing the connection with the addicted people. Never ever we cannot escape from that trap. Why? Because through the five senses we are learning. Learning is everything, cognitive learning. Learning is not changing. Same result will come. So we have to change our relationship with the good people, not addicted people. This very peer group interaction is very important. The addiction. Satsangam. We can connect with the spiritual people, those who are talking spiritual things. If you are watching this video, you are doing the satsanga. We are in a satsanga. It will definitely come through the five senses and the sound and visual and everything, creating your world, our world. So, this is very effective satsanga, good association on the name of a deity, or whatever it is, your God. On the name of God, you can associate and help each other and motivate each other to go a higher level in life, help each other. So it is very effective. It will create a vibrational field, bigger vibrational, positive vibrational field. The negative energies will go out. If we enter to the Buddha Mandala, Shakti Mandala, we have Shakti Mandalas in many countries. They are chanting the Lila Sasnama or whatever the things, spiritual puja, Sri Vidya puja. So in our group, we have the people, a connection between each other and helping. So creating the positive vibrational field, it is very important. Then naturally the addiction will go. By the support of the deity, the addiction will change. The reason of the addiction may be the negative vibrational field of ghost attack, this kind of some dissociation. By the support of deity, it will detach from that, then our body will be detached from that. We can free from that. We can be creative. Next is the rising of the jnana. That is also awareness, we said. But the knowledge will help to the awareness, rising of awareness. The activation of jnana kosha. So if you have the addiction in the drinks, liquor, we have to watch all of the videos against liquor, all of the articles against liquor, all of the experience of the people maximum. And on one side you can continue your drinking habit or smoking habit without regret. But if you you can continuously daily 5 minutes to watch a video of against this addiction. After continue this system, after some time your body will reject. When you watch the liquor, you start to vomit. That is the power of our body. But we are not looking the body. We are harming the body, destroying the body. Very valuable body. We are destroying in a careless way of attitude like this, without awareness, knowledge. Increase the knowledge, it will increase the awareness. Then the awareness can control the brain chemicals. That is the freedom from the addictions. Next is the social media porn addiction, and somebody have the addictions like that. Many people, because the same dopamine is coming from the neurotransmitters, overstimulation. So it is creating the depression. Many people cannot enjoy the real sexual life. So the energy will not come, the happiness will not come. Somebody will go to diseases or suicide and depression. Many problems may come. So our figure of the archetype of the lady will change. We cannot look the real ladies in real way. We will project the porn videos, images on the ladies, and all ladies. We will look all ladies in some other way. It will create a bad social connections or social life. It will create the diseases, depressions. So we have to overcome that one by the same way. We have to increase the knowledge of the anti-porn knowledge through the website, the videos and talks and the articles. We have to know the knowledge, increase the knowledge. That we can do some other things like the pilgrimage. It will give the holy pilgrimage will give the freedom from addiction. I send many people to Shabarimala. 41 days you have to be maintain the brahmacharya and the meditation level. The 14 days, the intention is that to go and meet Shabarimala Sri Dharma Shastra. As a part, we will maintain all of this distance from attachment. The witnessing like a sky, the clouds are coming and going, the thought process will come and go, because we have only one aim, that is watch the Shabarimala Shastra and be like Shabarimala Shastra. So in full of that journey, in our subconscious mind there is an intention to meet the holy place and to meet the God or Goddess. The full of the day in subconscious mind will work like a machine to remember you are going for that. Always the mind will ask, why are you going, where I am going. Subconscious mind say, you are going to meet Shabarimala Shastra. Who is that? He is a spiritual, the deity and the support, the scope of your attainment of enlightenment. Always it is remembering the intention. It will give a separate awareness to free from addictions. The main other thing is who have the addictions, those who don't know the purpose of their life. If you have a strong purpose in life, you don't have any time to go behind the addictions. Because our work is worship, our work is creating the dopamine highly. No need to external other stimulation which is damaging our body. So we have to understand our life goal. We have to understand our desire to do, which are the jobs or works are giving appreciation and happiness and the skill, everything. That is my desire. That is my swadharma. If we can do the swadharma, if it is interesting something, motivating me to work, definitely it is my swadharma. If I am doing that one, that's a very big dopamine stimulation. So we will not get addicted in some other things because it is a great addiction. The karma yoga, that is very good. The money and everything will get also. Next is love. If somebody is loving you, you will not go behind the addiction. But it is very difficult because first of all we have to love ourselves. Then only we can love others. Then only the others will love we people. So first of all we have to love ourselves. Self-acceptance. The Bala Taparisandri is the deity of self-acceptance. That is giving Sri Vidya first. First we have to accept ourselves. You can tap in the Ajna Chakra and the Sahasrara and the Vishuddhi. I am loving myself. I am loving myself. People are contenting. You are a fool. What you are doing? If do a mistake, oh, I am a fool. Don't say like that. It's happened. It is a new learning. There's no failures. Only new learning. You are more knowledgeable person now. You can understand the negatives also. So this tapping we can do, self-acceptance, and then we can free from the, then naturally the dopamine will come. Then no need to find out other addictions. Next is the main thing, that is bhakti. We have addiction in Krishna, we have addiction in Shiva, not in the level of a mad level, crazy level. The real love, that is bhakti with Krishna, Rama or Yeshu, Allahu. We have real love with that Paramatma. Naturally, it is a very great desire and addiction. Then we will not go behind the simple, temporary, expensive addictions. So then we can experience the Ananda, the joy of the meditation of Anandamaya Kosha. We can connect with that in a proper way of meditation, of freedom of Gunadita. That freedom is creating the dopamine. That Ananda is the creating the dopamine, not only dopamine, Yoga Amritam in the pituitary gland. So that is the great experience of enlightenment and Kundalini awakening and joining with Shiva and Shakti. Then no other liquor cannot give that kick. No other sex cannot give that kick, because sex is in 1 second, it is happening here. In the meditation of connection with Anandamaya Kosha, it will forever always. That's why the rishis are sitting in the forest and experiencing that Nirvikalpa Samadhi of Anandamaya Kosha. So God bless you everybody for that.